Let's take a closer look at the Infinity Furnace. A single-stage furnace has only one power setting. When the furnace turns on, it delivers 100% of its heating capacity. But this can cause problems by heating the air too quickly near the thermostat, causing temperature swings in the home. That's why the Infinity 98 gas furnace with Green Speed Intelligence features a modulating gas valve capable of providing varying levels of heat. To maintain a constant, comfortable temperature in your home, low-output heat combined with a variable speed blower motor can also help you save energy. With an annual fuel utilization efficiency rating of up to 98.5%.